conducting an experiment with rain pads. So I'm super excited to be doing this video because we're going to be putting rain pads to the test and testing out their absorbency. The average woman gives off 15 to 50 milliliters in between changes throughout the day. So I actually have like these 3 syringes. I'm so glad I have them. And it actually goes up to 20. So I'm gonna be filling up 2 and then I'm gonna go up to 10. I'm just gonna tell you guys what I have here. So we have our pure white. This is my favorite color. So these are the wings, and this is the panty liner. We also have the color, it's like a mint green, and this is for all day comfort. These are ultra thin panty liners. We have our color black, which is the super heavy flow overnight. So if you need that, get that. We have the color pink. I love the color pink. It's moderate flow. So yeah, moderate. And then we also have purple here, which is for heavy flow as well. So you definitely get yourself a variety of choices, you know, to choose from. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be going in with the moderate flow. Okay, so it actually has a tab here. It says open. So I'm gonna open her. Pull out a pad. All right, so, okay, this is cute. We're gonna get her open. Oh, this is so cute. I can't, you guys, look at this pad. Look, it has pink. Fill it up a bit. This one's working pretty good. All right, so I have her filled up. So this is 20 milliliters. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Go ahead and do that. We're gonna do it again. Number 3. We did it. We're gonna let her do its thing. Ooh, I'm gonna test it with my, oh my gosh. It really does feel pretty freaking dry. Okay, I'll be back, guys. I have my napkin here. I'm just gonna press. Oh my gosh, look. It's like a little bit, and I pressed in the center. It's like the pad itself feels like there's a little bit of weight to it, you know, especially if you go up to that 50 milliliters, but at least you'll know, you know, obviously know to change, but it's not like leaky at all, or, you know, you're not gonna feel wet, if that makes sense. So, ooh, that's so exciting. Okay, so now we're gonna test the same pad, you guys. So I guess in the middle part, this is all, this is the part where it like absorbs. So I'm gonna rip this to shreds, and I'm going to take it out, which is this fuzzy stuff. And I'm going to, oh my gosh. Wow, oh my God, you guys. It's like a gel-like material. Oh my gosh. I'm blown away. I really am blown away. Okay, so this is the pad. There's nothing there now. You would literally, that wouldn't do anything. So now I'm gonna take this out, and look, that's awesome. I literally have to like clean all this stuff up, but like you can go to gorecat.jewelpads.com to purchase yours. So they're gonna be having a contest. The contest ends June 30th, and how you can enter, I will actually be putting it on the screen, you guys, but it ends June 30th, and the way you can enter is by DMing them on their Instagram page, DMing them your proof of purchase as well as a creative video. Definitely share your experience because 10 of you will win $500. I think that's a win-win, right? All right, guys, thank you so much. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys leave a heart, make sure you guys share it, and comment down below your favorite part of this video. and I'll talk to you guys soon.